Howdy, I'm Nate Large, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to stop a squeaky door the easy way. Here I have a door. It's been squeaking for quite some time. And it's quite annoying. So I'm going to just go over how to fix this simply with some very common tools. To complete this, I'm just going to be using a hammer, an awl, some 3-in-1 oil, and cloth. I'm doing this with the door closed. This is a 2-hinge door, and I did notice that the squeak was coming from the lower hinge. So I'm just going to take the awl and the hammer, and I'm going to knock the pin out, and I'm just going to use the side of the hammer. I don't really need to take the whole pin out all the way. This will work. And then just dab some 3-in-1 oil. Let it soak in. Use the rag to catch any excess. And then drive our pin back in. And if all has gone well, the squeak should be gone. Let's give it a listen. Please consider subscribing.